Law enforcement warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas County Sheriff's Department. Residents in Cedar Crest, please lock all your doors immediately. Police are searching for 2 escaped inmates from the Dallas County Jail. Suspects are Hispanic males wearing black t-shirts and blue jeans. One is 5 foot 7 inches tall and 165 pounds with black hair and hazel eyes. The other is 5 foot 6 inches tall and 147 pounds with brown hair and hazel eyes. If you have seen or have any information on the suspects, please dial 911. Do not approach them as they may be dangerous.